just had to stop. Mo didn't have a seatbelt on, so all my watchers, make sure Mo has a seatbelt on when you drive with him because he's dangerous. Anyways, today we are going to some waterfalls at Willow Creek. Willow Creek, I repeat, if you guys want to go there, check it out. It's a cool place.
Can I be in the vlog or no?
Yeah, Glenn, you can be in the vlog. And we're gonna go jump in and do some swimming and stuff like that. So, Adrian Bliss.
That's just some dangerous neighborhoods. Oh, in the city that was made for us.
KFC! Kentucky Fried Chicken! Right there. Fuck you! This woman wants to race us after she flicked us up! Oh shit! Oh shit! Look at that giraffe hoof! Look at that hoof! Who won the race? That 50-year-old woman or you?
Well, I don't think the 50-year-old woman had five people screaming at her to do different shit.
Okay, we're at the park.
How much is it?
Look
Three,
at that. Look at
Hi.
that.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We need $3.
Well, you don't even know the song.
Hi, when he starts like,
Mo's been fasting for like 7 hours, I think.
Yeah.
Alright, we went
that's
the wrong
three
way,
Johnny.
like
That's
normal,
three people.
but it is good because we know how to
Ninjago.
ask for help, and I talked to
It's
some
ninja.
park
Can I have
ranger
this real quick?
guys, and we are on the right direction.
Give me this.
What?
It is not an adventure unless you get lost. That's our rule.
That is terrible.
Please don't put
Alright guys, we made it to
I guess
the parking lot this time. So, here we go. Come on, vamonos. Everybody, let's go. On the map, on the map, on the map, on the map, on the map.
AKA.
Alright, so
Alec,
we made up this song and we're gonna sing it for you guys.
We got a shout out to all the people
Alec,
that were there.
to Reed and those guys.
Justin.
Anyways, the sun is shining.
Why are you skipping?
No clouds in the sky. The spirits say hi.
Dick.
As the day goes by. We wake up every day and say hey to the world. Chilling by the pool. Looking pretty cool.
I don't believe in this.
It's
homosexual
heat.
propaganda.
It's heat. It's good. It's heat. Heat is good.
Look at this. Look at this. This is kind of nice. Look at that guy up there. Dang. Alright, just a little pan up here.
Oh, this guy had. I love how we race.
Alright guys, we are in the jungle right now. Look at this mossy rocks and things like that. Alright, very good. Now I'm just gonna change. Alright, I'm gonna be in the nude, so I'm gonna stop filming. Oops.
Yo, we gotta follow the strict climbing rules.
Dab
6
on
a.m.
this.
to 11 p.m. Alright, Mo, go climb it. Come on, good job, Mo. Oh, go, girl. You go, girl. Oh, Ricky's coming in here, too. Oh. Let's go, girls. Up there going up. Come
very
on.
nice, very nice.
nice. Almost done. Oh, Ricky with the win. Oh, Costa Rica. Behind the falls, yes. Sneaky, sneaky. Under the caves, sneaky. Look here, look here. Oh, coming out. Oh, look at this. Very beautiful. Oh, look at the water. Very nice. Very nice. Look at the water. Alright, very nice. Good climb. Good climb up here. Yes. Sir. Glenn, I don't know how Glenn is gonna do this, but now we got some people rock climbing. Stuff like that. We got a rock climb. That's kind of cool. Look at this, guys. This woman is just precariously rock climbing. See you under the falls. Okay. Here.
Alright guys, we are here. Gingy, Glenn, Mohammed. We're ready to go.
They are under the waterfall. Yes! We are under the waterfall. Not yet. I'm going to get the GoPro. What's up, guys? We're on the other side of the abyss. Other side. Check this out. Look at the feet, Mo! Get the feet! Get the feet! Kirk is coming through! Kirk made it! Hey! Yeah, baby! Yeah, baby! Yeah, baby! Alright guys, we're going up. Shit. We got some boys up here. Oh god, it's cold here.
Alright, we're done for today. We're gonna leave, so.
Wait.
Yeah, Glenn.
Alright, peace out, Willow Creek. We out of here. Leaving. It was fun. That was a good time.
We're taking over the vlog. Oh, big boy's up. Sleeping beauty. Sleeping beauty.
Hi, Teddy.
He's about to make us a bunch of
bear.
pizzas.
Oh my
So,
god, I'm gonna get him.
Gotta
a
rest
bowl.
up for that.
Oh my, wait, let me get it. Let me get it. Let me get it.
Good morning.
No!
I touched it.
Yo,
Alright.
skip this song. The song's booty.
We're back in the prairie.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go to Devani's. I'm gonna go to work. We're gonna eat pizza before work. But that's the day. What's up, guys? Vlogging at work. We are now at Harish's vlog. Sunag Bowen, Soro, and then the man himself, Harish, fellow vlogger, dude.
You know me, you know me.
Saw, dude.
Nobody know you, bro.
The man, the myth, the legend of odds are, dude. The creator. Watching the Copa.
Every time, without fail.
Watching the finals.
Oh, that's not.
Yo, Harish just got a watermelon on the floor of his kitchen.
Give me your attention, baby.
Take
It's a vlog. I wanna fuck you, you a sexy lady. But you walk around here like you wanna be someone else. Oh wow, I know that you don't know me, but you're fine, so fine, so fine. Oh wow, I gotta know you're something, but treasure. I can't get out this way. That is what you are.
Okay.
we make fire.
Live well.
Okay, me and Wade, we make fire very big, very bright. Look close, come here. See this? We make fire. You a stick, make fire. Okay guys, with this flashlight, I can vlog now.
Woo! It's a swing.
Like a swing set.
Hey
No, a
Chaz.
swing.
No, let's
Buddy,
go on it.
You
Chad,
can
have
probably
to.
see it from here. Hey, can
Now
I
we
get the
can
vlogging
vlog.
Yeah,
flashlight?
can I see it?
I need the vlogging flashlight. Here.
Hey
Well,
vloggers, round 2 for the
Round
night.
2.
Hey
Kaylee
vloggers,
and Allie.
it's Allie. We were already in it in the dance. We were in the
Yeah,
car.
we
We
were
got yelled
singing
at.
it earlier.
That was us.
Oh,
We got yelled at by
yeah.
a lady with
That
a
was kinda
sleeping
mean.
child. So
Yeah,
we
we
left.
woke them up.
We only went.
There's a lot of people here. We're all on a trampoline and it's gonna break. It's gonna break.
I don't think it's gonna break.
Yeah, Mo showed up too.
He's
gonna
always
break.
wearing this Dr. Pepper shirt. Do you wear this like 3 times a week?
Actually, wear
He
four
actually
times
does.
a week.
No, he
Wash
wears
this
he
shit.
wears
4 times
the,
a week.
He wears the
Put that one in, but we're gonna say this one. Okay,
Live well, love much, and laugh often.